Andrew and I have been in business in the chartered accounting area for about 15 years, and we see the opportunity with the online space and with products like Xero to assist small businesses to run their finances more efficiently, particularly as they become more mobile over time, and take the gains that are available through this type of technology and create some certainty around some offerings that suit their needs.
We think now is the right time to launch Firstmate because of the web. Cloud-based solutions are becoming far more acceptable in the marketplace, and with a product by the name of Xero, it delivers a really seamless end-to-end solution, not only for our clients but for us as accountants and doing their annual end-of-year tax accounts. So that makes everything from the data entry that the client and us do right through to finishing their annual accounts and tax returns as efficient as we think possible given the environment that we're dealing with now.
So of course the numbers and the technology are important. That's what drives the whole process, and that's what accounting's all about. But you need more than that. We need a Firstmate that we know that we can have available for people.
The aspect of the Firstmate that we think is the real point of difference is having someone, a person, actually right on your side. So that's not just sending an email, it's being able to pick up the phone and be able to talk to them. That point of difference with having a dedicated and trained licensee that we then back at head office, if you like, review the work of, is what we think is really important and a major point of difference in that online accounting delivery space.
So as a Firstmate, my job is when a client first signs up to a package, we'd go through the package that they've chosen and just make sure they're comfortable with what their package does include. And then if they find that there actually are some extra services they do actually want, we can just move them onto a different package, or we can just add those to their current package if that works. So one of my key roles is working with Xero to make sure it's all set up properly. Xero's great because all the bank feeds come down daily, so you get the data every day as opposed to having to manually enter it into your system. And we make sure that it's set up properly and that everything gets coded properly. The clients can go in and get accurate reports each month of how their business is going, which for them means that they can make good business decisions based on good results. Well, I think the great thing about Firstmate is that every client, no matter what package they're on, they get allocated their own Firstmate. They've got a specific person there to call if they've got any questions or issues, as opposed to just having a sort of generic phone line to call. They've got a real person there to deal with who's really interested in their business. And then by having the everything online, it means we can access stuff anytime, just log in and have a look. Makes it a lot more streamlined. And then of course having the chartered accountant's overview is great. It means there's someone there looking at all the accounts. All the accounts are signed off, even the lower package ones are signed off by a chartered accountant. And the guys are there for support if anything comes up or a client needs any more specific help. There's a chartered accountant there just a phone call away to give the extra support if they need it.
We've looked at the market and we think we've come up with a great solution in 4 dedicated fixed monthly fee packages. So it covers everyone from a small business, sole trader who might have a few transactions a month, right through to someone that wants a full-blown service with some added value work, some help with building their business in terms of good quality monthly management and KPI reporting, and even some input from our business development team to really help try and zhuzh up the business and get them to grow.
Firstmate is a service for small businesses that gives them good information in a timely manner, in a way they can understand it, and a little bit of help along the way so they can concentrate on running their businesses.
And best of all, they're only just a phone call or an email away, providing you the very best level of personal service.